Hush now, lean closer, can you hear it? A rustle slips across the backyard. The wind pulls the curtains wide, and a flash bursts through the shadows. Not lightning, not a bird. Something smaller, brighter, faster. The glow darts past the sofa. Magazines whirl upward like startled birds. A squeal rings out, too high, too wild. Feet scramble, tails whip the floorboards. Laughter collides with the roar of chaos. Like this video and subscribe the channel. The thing zips through the hallway. Tiny cape fluttering like a flag. It bumps the lamp, glass trembles, shadows scatter across the ceiling beams. Chairs rattle, cushions explode from forts. A storm has landed inside the house. Giggles burst, shrieks answer louder. The chase twists left, then right. Paws thunder across the tiles, a blur of fur, a blur of sparks. Someone cries woe too fast. Someone else roars keep going higher. Out the door the wind howls. The night pulls everyone into its game. The garden shivers under silver light, flowers bow as petals scatter skyward. The glowing baby hovers above the fence. Tiny fists buzzing with electric hum. Up, higher, spinning like a comet. Down, lower, nearly skimming the grass. Breath catches, eyes widen, hearts pound. The world feels like it might explode. Yet laughter weaves through the danger, pure joy louder than fear itself. A leap, too far, too quick. A tumble lands heavy in the daisies. Soil erupts in dusty clouds, tails wag through the flying mess. Arms swoop, catching the glowing bundle. Sparks fizzle softer against warm fur. Silence, just for a moment. The storm folds into quiet breathing. A tiny yawn squeaks into the night, the cape droops like a tired flag. Every chest heaves with wild relief. Then bursts into giggles all over again. The moon steadies, silver and calm. The garden hums gentle like a lullaby. One by one voices fall softer, sighs, chuckles, sleepy murmurs. The glowing baby cuddles close. Warmth spreading like magic in the dark. And there, in the hush of night, hearts beat steady side by side. Tails curl, eyes drift closed, the chaos melted into pure wonder. Tomorrow we'll tell the tale again. But tonight, the story glows forever.